Sushant Singh Rajput was one fantastic example of all that. He was an inspiration to all of us, from the television fraternity. If ankle saath mein hai, then everything, is then you're a great artist. But if these numbers somehow don't support you, or they are not in alignment with you, then there are questions raised on your skill set also, or on your craft. There was only that pressure कि इतने बड़े नाम हैं, सरगुन मेहता है, बादशाह पाजी and Payal Didi is there in the song. So irrespective of the lockdown or no lockdown, the song has to turn out well.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi Ravi, welcome to Indian Express.
Hello, how are you? Thank you very much.
Very well, I am doing great, and in fact, thanks to technology, these 4 months of lockdown have been pretty okay connecting with all of you over Zoom calls and phone calls. But how has it been for you?
I think the lockdown, in essence, has been a teacher in many, many ways. I think one's life's priorities have realigned. Creatively, I think it's given you an opportunity to develop a different kind of skill sets, because now you don't have the assistance of big units and kind of big equipment, etc. So for me, I think I would say it's been a good phase, a very, very good phase, a very productive one in fact. During the lockdown, me and Sargun spent an enormous, touchwood, relatively a longer time together because of her schedules, and it was never so that she was always in Mumbai or I was always in Punjab. She was shooting all over the world. I was mostly shooting in Mumbai. So there was hardly any us time. There's opportunity in every adversity. That's my takeaway for life.
It's a time to reflect on reinventing ideas to create content with constraints, living in constraints inside our houses. But what have been some takeaways for you personally?
A music video that we shot during this time. Toxic. And of course, courtesy the lockdown, there was no going out. There was no units, and it was still a song that Bacha Paji and it was a song that was kind of put forward by them. So there was only that pressure कि इतने बड़े नाम हैं, सरगुन मेहता है, बादशाह पाजी and Payal Didi is there in the song. So irrespective of the lockdown or no lockdown, the song has to turn out well. So despite no equipment, despite no no resources, we still kind of tried and put an effort to put a decent product out there. So, but in the process, we also learned that's maybe all this need and inclination to having these resources and using that as a crutch is maybe it's all in the mind. Maybe there is more to us than we think that we do. So yeah. So all these great gems and lessons, I think the lockdown is teaching most of us.
We knew that you're fond of writing, but with your latest poem Aakde that has released I think last week, what was I would like to know what was your state of mind when you wrote that, when you were in the process of making that happen?
I was just kind of deliberating on it one day, and not that I have not been at the receiving end of this obsession with numbers. I too have been, and just like me, I think many artists have gone through various challenges and deadlocks because of the entire industry's obsession with viewing a good and a bad product from this lens of numbers, आंकड़े.
Right.
So अगर आंकड़े साथ में हैं, then everything is then you're a great artist. But if these numbers somehow don't support you, or they are not in alignment with you, then there are questions raised on your skill set also, or on your craft also. So I'm not talking about myself in particular here, but I think once the poem came out, a lot of artists, musicians, particularly musicians, actors, they got back and said that how they felt that this, that there was a lot of kind of resonance that they felt.
There was this one line that really caught my attention, which was "फिर एक दिन पहला काम मिला," and it takes you back to that journey where it all began. It kind of, and this is the time when we're introspecting on our choices and self-reflecting on those choices. If I ask you, and in relation to this line, if I take you back in time and make you recollect the first ever shoot that you did.
I had given one audition, just one, and they called me and they said that I'm selected. So that was the first ever audition that I gave. But prior to that, it may seem like there was no struggle, but prior to that, I think there were major upheavals in my life. Before that, I was here to do my engineering, and collectively, I think my kind of take back from life at that time was that nothing is going one's way, nothing at all. I don't feel aligned with my course, and but there are only backlogs and there are only papers coming back. And after a point, I think that put me in very severe depression at that time. So when this happened, वो जो line है कि लगा जैसे पूरी कायनात जीत ली. I think that when I got that first call, this was the first good thing that had happened in over 5 or 6 or 7 years. And I felt that I had triumphed over the entire world. I still have that vision on my head. I felt that I had, reached the top of Mount Everest and I was looking at a sunrise with my arms spread out.
Do you sometimes feel the struggle for someone not belonging to the industry has been around for decades, but it's only been talked about right now? People have begun talking about it because now they know that the viewers also want to know. There is even at the receiving end, we are seeing that the audience wants to see the actors and celebrities away from their real life image. What do you think about that?
This is one of the deadlocks I have personally also faced. तो ये debate में for or against बोलना तो एक बात है. Definitely, I being at the receiving end, I myself have been in the industry for the last 15 years, and I'm very happy and full of gratitude with the way my career has progressed, especially because television embraced me. I really feel that television is one medium that embraces without prejudice. Or छोटा पर्दा है मगर दिल बड़ा है. We are at the threshold of a metamorphosis. I personally feel it, and I'm happy about it also, because at this point of time, I think the audience is sampling content everywhere without any prejudice. Prashant Singh Rajput was one fantastic example of all that. He was an inspiration to all of us, from the television fraternity. It's a huge loss to the creative space. It's a huge loss of a symbol. Sushant was a symbol to all of us. What a beautiful, successful, graceful export to the film medium. So I was enamored by the fact that here is this man who's from nowhere, who comes in and who wins for all of us.